Hello everybody and welcome to RafflePress. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade from RafflePress Lite to RafflePress Pro. If you're not sure what RafflePress is, it is the best WordPress giveaway plugin, and this helps you to grow your email list, website traffic, and social media followers with viral giveaways and contests. If you're already using RafflePress Lite and you're considering upgrading to RafflePress Pro, you can check out this link in the description on why upgrading is a great idea and all the features that you can unlock. I'll also leave a link in the description to the documentation if you prefer to read rather than watch the video, and this will walk you through with instructions on how to do this as well. So great, right now I have a WordPress website and the only plugin that I have installed is RafflePress, and again this is the Lite version. So to upgrade to the Pro version, the first thing we want to do is come in the left hand side under plugins and installed plugins. Here you can see all of your plugins here, and we want to look for RafflePress Lite and click on Deactivate. We no longer need this plugin. Let's go ahead and delete this and click OK. Next, we want to grab the Pro version of RafflePress. So head over to rafflepress.com or click the link in the description below. Next, you want to click on Get RafflePress and select the plan that makes the most sense to you. After you have a RafflePress account, let's go ahead and click on Login. On the left-hand side, let's enter your email address, password, and then click on Login. After you've logged into the RafflePress dashboard, let's go ahead and click on Downloads. It's the second tab here from the left. And let's go ahead and click on the Download RafflePress button here. So let's click on this. And we also need the license key here in the bottom left-hand side. You can click the little icon here to copy that. Next, you can go ahead and close this tab. And now we're back into the WordPress admin. Now we want to add a new plugin. So if you're still on this page, you can click on Add New. Otherwise, you can go into the menu to Plugins and Add New. Let's go to the top where it says Upload Plugin. And here you can choose the file. So you can click on this and select the zip file that we just downloaded from the RafflePress dashboard. If you're using the same browser as I am, you can select this file from down here and drag it right here. And now click Install Now. Next, let's go ahead and activate the plugin. Let's paste that license key right here and verify key. If everything went well, you should see a green success message up here in the top right corner. And if you're using the same browser as I am, you can close this tab at the bottom. And there you go. You've just upgraded from RafflePress Lite to RafflePress Pro. Now that you know about how to upgrade from RafflePress Lite to RafflePress Pro, maybe you'd like to check out this video on how to run an online giveaway for beginners. This will help guide you through the process of setting up your new giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.